Hello dear children, today we are going to learn some paper crafts. It is very easy paper crafts. We can use this paper craft to decorate our birthday parties or this Christmas festival or Diwali festival. You can use this craft to decorate any event. So let's start the activity. Activity children, we need multicolor papers. It may be tinted sheet or origami sheets, then pencil, scissors and Fevicol. We are going to make 2-3 paper crafts. First we will start with the flower. It is our one paper. I folded in the middle. Children, when we are folding, keep in mind fold it properly. Then again I will fold in the middle. Okay, and like origami, I am going to keep this end here and going to fold it properly. Okay, so see children, it is a right angle and it is a straight side. It is the biggest side of the paper now. So I am going to draw one flower shape here like this. Okay, and I am going to cut it. See children, how I am cutting. Where I drew the flower, there I am going to give the cut. Okay, after cutting we are going to draw two lines parallel to each other. Okay, but we are going to give cut again like this, but children not till end. If I will cut till end, what will happen? This paper will come in my hand. Okay, but we don't want this. We want this joint cut. Again I am going to cut here. Okay, then I will open it. Okay, and then children, this middle portion, okay, this middle portion we are going to stick here in the middle. We will apply glue like this. One part will be here and another part, the second part, we are going to stick inside. Like this I will complete this. Children, same thing I am going to do again with this paper. After completing these two flowers, children, I am going to stick small golden flowers here. If you are having any type of kundan or any type of mirror here, you can stick anything. Children, after this we are going to stick these two flowers together. I will apply glue here and then like this we are going to stick. In the middle of these two petals we are going to stick like this. Okay, so we got a lovely flower. So let's move ahead. We are going to make one different type of leaf. Okay, so how to make that leaf? First, it is a square paper and leaf we are getting in different colors also. So if you want to change the color of the leaf, you can change. Children, after this, for my idea, I am going to draw one line like this in this big wala side. Okay, and then I will hold this paper like this, and parallel to this line we are going to give the cut. Okay, children, if you are not confident, sometimes we are feeling like that ki it's little hard to cut. So what we can do? First we can draw lines on it and then we can cut it. Okay, and after completing this, children, see, we got like this. So we are going to apply the glue on the first cut, which is the biggest one. Okay, and I am going to fold it like this. Then the second cut. Second cut we will fold from the back side. See children, like this. Again third from the front side. Fourth from the back side. Like this I will complete this whole leaf. After joining alternative parts, now see our leaf is ready. So for this leaf also we can make a hole with the help of punching machine. and can hang different colors leaf and can decorate the walls. We are going to make next one. First we will fold in a middle, then again we will fold in a middle, and it is a folded side. To this parallel line we are going to cut 1, 3, 4, 5 cuts. We can give any 3, 4, 5 cuts. Okay, then open it. We can make lantern also of this paper craft. Now after opening, on first cut we are going to keep another first cut. Okay, and on the third cut we are going to keep third, like this. After keeping it on each other, we have to press it for a moment so it will stick properly. We are going to keep fifth one. Okay, so like this one side we have got. Now on the second side we are going to keep second one from the opposite side. Children, see, it is from the opposite side, and fourth on the fourth one. Like this also, children, we can make a hole with the help of punching machine, and we can decorate our walls with the help of this craft also. Or we can use 6 like this paper crafts and can make one big star for this Christmas also. Now children, we will make this star. For this star I am going to fold it like this in the middle. Again I will fold like this. Children, when we are folding, keep in mind, fold it gently. Then after this plus we are going to do the multiple wala sign like this. After folding we will get the multiple wala sign. Okay, so now this edge I am going to keep on the middle like this from all the 4 sides. After this, children, this middle wala line we are going to cut it till where? Till this line where we got the line. Okay, and then we will do the triangles like this. Chalo, after completing this much, children, we are going to apply glue on each this triangle on any one side. You decide on which side you are going to apply the glue, and then we are going to keep this end on this end like this, children. Okay, so we are going to get the 3D shape of this. Okay, here also, from here to here we are going to stick it. Okay, so our first this star's first part is ready. We are going to make another part also like this. After completing these 2 parts, now we are going to apply glue here. Okay, and how we will stick? We will stick in a diagonal. Okay, like this. Learn this 4 type of crafts today. So we can use this for the Christmas decoration, for Diwali decoration, or for our birthday parties, and we can use it for Ganesh festival also. Let's enjoy the activity.